So what is the secret of successful YouTube creator? How we can get views, how we can get more views, how we can get more subscribers, how we can grow up like those guys do, how we can get millions of views or millions of subscribers. What we need to do and what we do not need to do. I'm gonna answer all this in a few seconds, so stay and watch. Hi, I'm Albinas Fusas and this is Random Channel 784. We're gonna show you how to be successful. I'm gonna teach you step by step what to do and what do not to do. So stay tuned, watch till the end, and you're gonna know the secrets of successful YouTuber. Okay, so first things first, we need to make fantastic, phenomenal and eye-catching thumbnail. If you are famous like Camila Cabello, you don't need to do anything else. Just simple, very good shot and you're done. If you're not that famous and you want to get more views, more subscribers who can come, stick around and watch you for longer. You need to create something like the next video. If you look at it, I'm just wondering what is with that woman. I want to see more. What is funny about and what those guys are doing? Why they put the pipe, in exhaust, and you just think, what's going on? I want to see more. That's what catching the eye thumbnail is. Second thing, you need to create a title, which is definitely gonna lead for more curiosity. I want to know more about it. So like example, must watch new funniest comedy video 2021. I want to see that. Must watch straight away tells me that I must go and see. It's like psychology thing. I need to go and see. And when you create title, you want to add something extra. So like example, amazing new comedy video. That's a second good phrase in the same one title. You can put episode if you're making a series of it, which you can create a playlist just about it. But yeah, if you can put couple amazing eye-catching phrases, couple, 2, 3 in one title, go for it. That's gonna help you a lot. Okay, so now you know how to create thumbnail, how to make a good title, but what if you don't know any ideas how and what the video I need to make for, but I really want to do one. So you just quickly go in your YouTube studio. If you don't have it already, vidIQ tool, please download it, link in the description below. And once you're done, just make sure you refresh your page and click on daily ideas. It's a better version just yet, but it's all about it, because vidIQ made for you very simple, very easy tool, which is gives you of all the internet most wanted ideas for video. So I made a knife from the scratch, like gonna give you prediction very high views. So if you want to do this, you can do it. If you don't want it, you can dismiss it and you can check the next one. Pokemon cards from the mall. So yeah, if you want to make videos about Pokemon cards, just go for it, because predictions is really high. If you don't want it, just go for next one. 300 great baseball cards of 20th century, 188th card. So if you want to make something like that, go for it, because you're gonna have a lot of views. Simple as that. So this is a good tool if you want to know what kind of video to make. Okay, so now you got some ideas what kind of video you're gonna make, so you know what your thumbnail is gonna be perfect, your title will gonna be eye-catching and definitely want people to click on it. So when you make your video, what the first thing you need to think of? You need to think about hook. Like Joel M would say, hook, I would add it that you need to fish your viewers' attention. When you think about video, are you gonna make it something like that people wants to watch it without any stopping? They want to see more and more. When you make video, all try to do that way. So this is your first thing. You need to think that you are a fisherman and you're gonna catch that fish who's waiting there. Think that way. You're gonna compete with yourself and you need to win it. Second thing which you need to think of is build up. So you have to avoid any pauses or gaps or anything like, Avoid any slow motions, just be as quick as you can to make sure that people don't have a chance to think, to leave your video. They want to watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it. They want to know more, more and more. This is your second thing which you need to think of when you make your video. Third thing which you need to think of is you got to think about reveal. Get up to the point when your audience emotions are so high, they are really, really loves you and they don't want to leave you. Get to that point and then you're gonna go to fourth thing, call to action, CTA. Tell them your goals. If your goal is subscribe, so tell them, subscribe to my channel for more videos, subscribe to my channel for more fun. If your goals is a view, so make sure you tell them, watch my video on the left, watch my video on the right for more fun, for more views, for more entertaining, for your goals to make it happen. So make sure you tell your audience to do something what you really want. It makes wonders, trust me. Simple thing, but it makes wonders. So what kind of mistakes we are making? When we got really poor lighting, it's really makes people nervous and they usually leave their video not till watch till the end because they can't see properly. Because sometimes you can make something amazing if you are a magician like Joe LM, so you can, create something things, but if the lighting is poor and people can't see, so you're losing the massive audience for lighting. Lighting is not expensive. Sometimes it's most of the times probably it's enough daylight, but to use something extra light here and there on the back, they're not gonna cost you a fortune. You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars or pounds to get them. If you go in Amazon, you can find easy for, don't know, up to 30 quid. So, it's not expensive and good and bad thing to use, but please have it. This is one of the points which you need to have it. Second bad thing which we usually do is distractions. What is it if you making a video and your neighborhood, don't know, have a babies and they scream and shout, and people instead of listening what you saying, they are hearing something else. If you making a video and somebody is cutting the grass outside, that could be a big distraction. If you're making a crazy amazing video but you got a 2-year-old son who's coming and say, hi dad, it's gonna be ruined. Some people, don't get me wrong, they're gonna love it, but majority, no. So that's your couple mistakes which we are making quite often. Try to avoid them. Distractions, absolutely annoying, as you can see right now. Clarity is the key, I want to tell you this. Mindset, that's the second thing. Straightforward, straight focus to your audience. Not about me, not about my green color, not about my pen which is in the hand. No, audience is the key. When you make a video, think about them, and that will give you massive boost. When you think, you don't need to think that you are fighting, with another channels like vidIQ. No, I'm not fighting with vidIQ. I'm fighting with myself. I want to make better video than I can create it before. I want to grow up. Compete with yourself. This is another thing which is absolutely fantastic. And like Joe LM says, one secret is, which nobody tells you, brainstorming could be a life-changing game. Could be changing your life. That's no doubt about it. So what you can do, wake up in the morning, grab the piece of paper, a notebook, and write all your ideas which you got. Like I always saying, one thing, distractions never works fine. But one thing you need to remember, plan is the key. Plan your tomorrow today. It helps you to be crystal clear and helps you a lot. Makes your life much easier. That's what you want to do. So plan your video in advance and use your pen, use your notebook, use your phone, use your anything, voice recorder if you want to. Because like example, you wake up in the morning, you got idea, you want to have it. So leave the phone next to you, leave a notebook and the pen next to you, because you can forget easy. And another thing, when you write something for your ideas, make sure you are specific. Because like example, if I'll write something grass, I don't know what I mean next day. Yes, I want to make a video about the grass and bugs on it, so something like a nature. But if I write just the grass, I probably will forget what I was thinking about. So be specific for yourself. You will remember. And this is the main things from me to you today. So now you learn all the most of common mistakes. Distractions is absolutely horrible, and I'm gonna show you this, and this. You see how bad it could be. So now you need to watch my video on the left, my video on the right to get more tips and tricks for your channel growth. And I'm gonna talk to you very, very shortly. But before you go, subscribe to the channel right now.